While Lotte Duty Free is paying part of the Guam International Airport Authority's legal fees, Lotte Legal Counsel attorney Cesar Cabot says the payment is a requirement under their concession contract. Meanwhile, the case that these legal fees are a subject of is still pending in Superior Court. Here's more.
The case stems from a dispute over a concession contract for retail space at the A.B. Wonpat International Airport. The former concessionaire, DFS, had held the contract for decades, but in 2013, after a controversial procurement, the contract went to a new tenant, Lotte Duty Free. DFS alleged that the contract was unlawfully awarded and that bribes were taken. They protested the RFP numerous times and took the case to the Superior Court. The case then jumped from the Superior Court to the Supreme Court to the Office of Public Accountability, and now it's back in the Superior Court of Guam. Attorney Cesar Cabot is representing Lotte Duty Free in the case. Attorney Pat Seville represents DFS, while Attorney Genevieve Rapadas represents the Guam International Airport Authority, which is also named as a defendant in the case. So if the Airport Authority has its own attorney, why is Lotte Duty Free's legal counsel reimbursing GIAA for legal fees in this case? According to Lotte attorney Cesar Cabot, quote, all of the payments that were provided by Lotte were specifically required by the exact language in the concession agreement that was signed between the airport and Lotte, and everything that was paid was in fulfilling those contractual and legal obligations. Nothing more, nothing less. The amount Lotte paid to the airport is only a partial payment. Attorney Cabot could not say whether they will continue to reimburse the airport's legal fees in light of the pending litigation. At this point, Cabot says there are 3 cases, 2 of which are pending. The first case included 20 causes of action, 19 of which were dismissed, and the last cause of action, an economic tort claim, remains. In the second case, there were 10 causes of action, 9 of which were dismissed. The remaining cause of action is also a tort claim. The third case was dismissed in its entirety. Meanwhile, despite reports that Lotte's parent company in Korea is facing some financial scrutiny because of a tax audit, Cabot says Lotte Guam remains a viable and strong duty-free retailer.
The remaining tort claims are under advisement in Superior Court Judge Arthur Barcinas' courtroom.